Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we want to talk about plane. What is the plane? A plane is the third fundamental concept of geometry. It has width and length, but no thickness. Plane is a flat surface that extends without end in all directions. A plane is suggested by a flat surface such as wall, floor, or the surface of lake. We represent the plane with a four-sided figure. Four-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like a paper drawn in perspective. Of course, all of these things are parts of planes, since a plane extends forever in length and in width. Before we move on to the next thing, I want to ask you if you would kindly like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos. It helps to motivate me to make more and more videos. It helps me to understand which videos you like and which ones you might not, so that I know what videos I should make more of in the future. You can find planes in your room or in the school or in the street. In different places you can find planes. Look at this. The surface of a pool is a plane. 3 non-collinear points determine a plane. This statement means if you have 3 points, that they are not on one line, only one specific plane can go through those points, because the points show you where the plane is. A plane is named by 3 non-collinear points. For example, plane ABC, or by a capital letter ABCP. We write plane P or P to refer a plane with name P. We use this symbol to show a plane. For example, plane P. Write your answer in the comment below. Question 1. At least how many non-collinear points determine a plane? Why? Question 2. Write word to complete the sentence. A plane has no thickness, length, width.